Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get round the fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Why aren't we all bullish? We need to be bullish. I'm bullish. Are you bullish? Guys, it has been a great weekend. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend as well. Welcome. It is Monday and things are going pretty okay. Pretty okay. A lot of things could be happening that are better, but currently nothing is happening that could be better. Almost everything is sideways. But I did learn a lot. I met with a few of the goons this weekend, more specifically SK, and he has given us the triple G indicator, the buy and sell indicator for the goons ourselves. So I sat with them. We configured everything. We're gonna definitely look. My trading view has completely changed. I'm now using the triple G way, which, as you guys watch throughout the stream, it's actually a pretty good indicator, and it can come in handy when doing some predictive trading, right? Um, so really what the stream is about is crypto trading strategies. I recently learned SK strategy. I forgot the lights again. I recently learned SK strategy. I'm gonna also take some advice from you guys. Is there a certain strategy that you guys like that I should consider? What really tells you when to get in, or are you guys just blind holding till the end when BTC is 120K, right? I've seen a few news articles, the predictive um, articles telling, hey, BTC is going to be 120K according to this institution or this bank and whatnot. So it's been wild. Anthony Williams, good evening. Please smoke that like button on the way in. Please smoke that like button on the way in. We got our boy Dynastic Wolf. What's going on, Dynastic? Hope things are going good with you. Anthony, by the way, great profile picture. Love the kiddos there. Gucci boy. What up, Teddy and the goons? What's going on, Gucci boy? Nice to see you, man. Basically, global crypto market 1.18 trillion. So feeling very good. And we got our boy, our champion, Mark Noby. For all of you guys that don't know, Mark Noby has been helping out Nikita, my editor, for the shorts and uploading, getting the spelling right and everything. So shout out to Mark Noby volunteering his time to come give out some good goon content. Now I need to do my fair share and help our boy also edit some short form content, not specifically shorts, but more specifically looking into some people suggested news of the day or stuff like that. But after talking to some YouTube channel advisors, they told me that news channels or like crypto news, especially in the YouTube algorithm, does not flow well. It's a very small niche, and I should be more broader with the algorithm. So meaning some these guys suggested doing some top 10 cryptos to get into right now or top 10 cryptos to look at right now, right? And I'm like, I don't know, we got to see this. But regardless, Mark Noby, great guy. Got a lot more coming to the channel, I keep telling you guys, so be prepared. Got me some Pepe Homer. What a scam. Why would you get Pepe Homer if you knew it was a scam? Good evening. And what's going on, freaking Oracle? Good evening, Goonies. Bring out the bulls. We're all bullish. We're all bullish. But relatively sideways, right? Not much happening. I like this fear greed index. They've added 57 neutral. Okay, great. What I would like to know more about this. Let's see. When the value is closer to zero, the market is extreme fear and investors have oversold irrationally. When the value is closer to 100, the market is extreme greed, indicating a likely market correction. So it's straight neutral. We're going straight sideways, guys. So nothing too crazy here. But I do have to shout out our boy, our pal SK, for giving out this great indicator. And I'm going to change this from 5 minute to 1 day because it is across the board. This guy has been planning ahead. And what this is we still have our levels. I understand it's a little crazy right now, but we still have our levels. But what SK has done with the triple G indicator, right, is he has given us windows of how the trading goes. So that way we can do some predictive chart buying, especially for those of you guys that are doing futures trading. There he is. There's our boy. This is it, the triple G indicator by SK. So he helped set it up in a fashion that we can do some predictive analysis. We also have other indicators here, the HARSI and the QQEMT4. I personally have not completely read up on these indicators. I've been using SK strategy, kind of figuring out, what each of these candles means, usually what they're indicating. This is strictly like RSI related. I don't have the true RSI value, but I know the line itself is RSI, and these candles appear to be like selling pressure or buying pressure, and it does pretty good with the way it correlates, especially for BTC. So let's say you got in, at 25,781 back in June 23. Man, you're sitting pretty good right now, That's a big buy indicator that's still sitting there as a buy signal. And this is real time, I can go into this if for a minute chart, which is what SK prefers since he's doing futures. He's trying to do these predictive chart analysis well before others. So it's been very helpful in not always 100%, but definitely enough to help figure out a trading strategy, especially for futures trading. Right? We recently talked about futures trading. It is something that these exchanges are applying to and to offer. So we're definitely going to see changes coming when it comes to futures. I would not be surprised as more and more exchanges offer futures trading eventually, right? Wait, do I have Pog AI in here twice? Which one is this? USDT futures. Oh, okay, I see. I didn't even know I had a futures one. Interesting. Yeah, I'm looking at Pog AI as well. I like it. It's got a buy signal right now, but I don't know. I don't trust it. Smoke that like button. Smoke that like button indeed. Smoke that like button indeed. But let's see. I'm been shorting Pog AI. Like I literally started shorting it back. Oh man, this is on the minute. 1 second. I started shorting Pog AI. Oh, this is 5 minutes. Let me go 4 hours. Started shorting Pog AI probably. No. When I first started, I think it was early last week. So I think it was right after July 4th. And I had a decent turnaround. But then I tried shorting it like the next day before SK gave me the indicator, right? So this is Saturday. And I think this is when I was trying to short it and I get wrecked because it was a buy signal and it still is a buy. It's evening out. We're going to see what happens. Volume's still relatively okay. Orange candle means uncertainty. So right now it's uncertain candle, so anything can happen. It's a risky bet, but fairly green buy signal. But the buy has been short the last period, so this could cut off and it could turn into a sell. So doing some predictive trading here. Check with comp. All right, let me check comp. So this is SK, my traveler, the great guy, knows this stuff, boys. I will tell you. He definitely knows his stuff. Okay, so here's comp. You got a buy signal on comp, and this is after the sell. And look how great, his indicator is doing when doing this. Especially if you guys are on here, doing futures and you need some help. Like, this is where it's at. This is why we come here. We gather here every day, Monday through Friday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. I make it in here for this reason, guys. We are making the right moves to help us do some good analysis when it comes to crypto, and that's where we figure out, hey, is this the right time or is this the wrong time? And that's exactly what SK has done with his indicator. So I'm very happy With this, I'm gonna leave it on. It's been phenomenal. Like literally, I want to say 80 to 90% right with its thing. And obviously, there are never trade on the sideways. It's volatile, and you have to be quick using this indicator. Yeah, so there you go. So right now, it looks like it's on that reversal, especially on comp. So I think this buy signal could last. Let's see if it's on the next leg up. Um, so, I mean, unless this is a double top, but I don't know if you would consider this a double top. I guess you could because it did retrace. Is this the reversal on that retracement? We'll see. Or are we about to see a head and shoulder, right? We got the head, we got the left shoulder. Here's the right shoulder forms. And usually with head and shoulder, and right, this is chart patterns now, right? So we're talking about indicators here, right? All these signals and everything, they're called indicators, right? Technicals, indicators. And we have chart patterns, right? Here's patterns. You can literally get patterns on here, boys. And it will tell you when it's a bullish trend versus when it's a bearish trend. So like I'm using um the free, like I don't want to pay for this. So right now currently I'm free. As I gain more subs, more viewers, and I have the uh money, I'm definitely gonna invest in the paid version and add a few more indicators, especially when it comes to chart analysis, right? So I'll show you a chart pattern, head and shoulders. 1 second here. So head and shoulder pattern usually indicates a correction is about to happen, meaning it's going to go down past under the neckline. Here it is. Here's a good indicator. So here's the shoulder, here's the head, right? And then here's the other shoulder forms. And then if it goes underneath the shoulder, it basically indicates it's gonna go down. So why I say that is this could be the head, this could be a shoulder, and another shoulder forms, right? So definitely be on the lookout um, for chart patterns as well as indicators when coming into crypto trading, especially for the first time, right? So you come in here blindly and you're trying to figure out, hey, whatever I learned in stocks, is it the same way as it is in crypto? For the most part, yes, but there are changes that we have to do. I would give it a 70% win rate, but not as good as John's TA skill. John Crispala is the number one GOAT when it comes to TA. That guy has literally the way that he does plays, the way he tells you to get in and out, he is a trading investment guy, and that's why it's like John Crispal is good, SK is good. They have these tools that help them do better strategies when it comes to crypto trading, right? And that's what this stream is all about. We need to figure out what's the best strategy. A lot of these guys like relative strength index as their indicator. SK's got like the HARSI, right? The souped up version of the RSI indicator. So the other thing SK's also done is he's changed the 1 second here. HARSI, here it is. So HARSI, he's also changed and modified it so it works for crypto. Most of these indicators are just for stocks, right? It's this is something that SK has like, hey, this is what works for crypto. The HARSI indicator uses the RSI as its basis to show strength in the price trend. It plots the RSI oscillator but shifts it so it oscillates around the 0 point instead of the value of 50. Buy and sell zones are then set up at minus 20 and 20 lines respectively. So we're going to go back to this and you'll see in my HARSI, right? Let me see. I have my minus 20 and plus 20, right? Sorry, plus 20 and minus 20. And these are the buy and sell zones when it comes to HARSI. We were doing RSI by itself before. So now we're learning what these things mean. So when it goes up, it's going into that overbought pattern. So let's see. So buy zone being minus 20 and sell zone being 20. So definitely getting to that sell zone, which is what I'm seeing for comp as well, uh, which is what I'm considering. Where do we stand with our degen plays? Dude, I have no idea. I feel like I'm wrecked across the board. How we doing? How we doing? um, no, but comp does look like a short opportunity here. I wonder if this is gonna stay going solid, because I know we have a lot of believers in compound, right? So all right, let me see here. BTC is another one. 4 hour. This is little imagine SK trending out here. It's like, I got the buy signal, Teddy. I'm buying BTC now. Dude, this is great. And it works out so well, especially even with the levels we've charted. And I know SK is working on souping this indicator up more, especially for the goons. What he's doing is he's trying to add support levels and resistance levels in the indicator. I, for the most part, can see them, but I definitely, now that I see how predictive this can get when it comes to trading view, I may consider doing this myself. Or not doing it myself and having the SK's indicator do it. So way we add these indicators pretty simple, right? We went in, you search for the indicator you need, and then you click it to add it in. And that's how I got my indicator. So the other one was QQEMT4. And then we'll learn about that one too. 1 second. QQEMT4. All right, QQEMT4. Let's see. Do I have the official? No. Some of these guys, they won't share. Thanks for a wonderful and simple indicator. This has helped solve my dilemma for entry and exit. Yeah, this is literally what people define in the Pine Script community as it's being used for entry and exit, meaning exit because it's telling you sell, and entry because it's giving you that buy signal, and it correlates very well with the buy and sell signals that they have there. I'm actually trying to, so it's quantitative, qualitative estimation. That's what it is. And MT4 indicator. I cannot remember. I'm gonna have to look this up. Let me see. So, dude, I literally just read about this right before here. Smart QQE is QQE trend and RSI plot on chart to determine the trend direction and eliminate false signals. So what this tells you is trend direction in order to help figure out whether you're getting in or you're getting out. Doesn't necessarily mean it's the right time to get in or get out. That's up to you to determine. But these indicators do help. And then SK did his own script in Pine Editor here, where we can click it and you can add different scripts, and it's been great so far. So far, we're happy with what he's done, and we're gonna use these as well. All right, let me minimize this. There we go. It's wild. It's wild. Dude, imagine you follow this. Like, you buy it, you sell at the top, you write it down, small buy window here, screw it, you just sell, so you're just out. And then you buy again, next buy signal, you get a sell. It's not even worth it. But it's like, if you didn't sell when you got the sell signal, you'd be wrecked, right? So now you're getting a bunch of buy signals, and now you're at the sell. Sell signals are scary, dude. It's like, I don't even want to get in, but keep in mind, this is the minute, right? if you're trading on a minute, you better hope. So I like the 4 hour. SK always does less than 1 hour. But it is definitely something that we're educating ourselves on. Basically, we are using the below two indicators to confirm the buy and sell, a minor tweak to setup. Does the signals use the order book for buys and sells to determine points? It is not using the order, or yeah, I guess in theory it is using the order book because the data comes directly from the exchange, right? So yeah, literally he's got this down to a science, boys. It's pretty good. I like it. I like what I see. Not everybody can say they've done this, you know? All right, let me see here. We do have to go look at the clickbaity CoinDesk articles because uh you know, someone has to click it. They made it for a reason, right? Let me see. What is this? What is this? Bitcoin steady above 30K as China factory deflation suggests end of global tightening cycle is near. What? China's exporting deflation across the Western world. Ultimately, this will be good for risk assets as and by the way, risk assets, right? Cryptocurrency is considered a risk asset. And most of the time, these banks have interest rates that when they go up, they want to pay off their loans, right? And what they do is they sell off their risk assets to help pay off some loans and offset the amount that they have to pay back later on in the year, whatever it may be. But this is why you need to understand what these terms mean, right? I need to add some WD-40 on my freaking thing. I keep hearing it squeak in the videos too, and I'm like, this is so bad. I will find out. I will get WD-40 and I'll put it on the microphone stand so it doesn't squeak. Bitcoin held steady above 30,000 early Monday as producer price index (PPI) data from China suggested that the global liquidity tightening cycle that kicked off early last year and roiled risk assets, including cryptocurrencies, is nearing to its end. Wait, what suggested that? Just like their report? Okay, gaps fell 5.4% year on year in June, the ninth consecutive monthly decline and the steepest drop in 7 years. Okay, well that's pretty good. So interest rates are going down. Has likely led to exports and deflationary pressures in the global economy. China is the largest trading partner of the world's prominent economies. Deflation, a sustained decline in the general price level, occurs when the inflation rate is oh, really? Oh, thanks. Persistent deflation is one of the world's largest sources of manufactured products will help Western central banks, whose aggressive interest rate increases aim taming inflation that's the highest levels of years, and in some decades is hurting the wider economy. Yeah, so this is exactly what we're talking about. If cryptocurrency is a risk asset, but wait, so now they're saying, hey, deflation, um, China factor deflation suggests end to global tightening. Yeah, so deflation's in, interest rates going down. So shouldn't they be buying more risk assets? So okay, so it's steady above 30K. Yeah, still clickbaity, but I like it. Everything they've said is good. Let me see here. You have to consider the signal along with both bottom indicators to avoid false signals. ETH 2.0 and BTC 2.0 had run. Check ETH 2.0 chart CA in your Telegram. All right, 1 second. Let me check. All right, let me see. I'm just getting SK's contract address here. Give me 1 second, boys. I actually had to get Telegram off my computer because I had influencers telling me that they get hacked through Telegram on their computer and somehow lost all their wallets and stuff. So I'm like, dude, I don't want that to happen to me. So I got rid of it. I don't I feel like they must have clicked the link, but you never know. Maybe they're telling the truth. Let's see. It's like, how did that just happen? Just magically all your stuff just disappeared? How does that happen? Let's get some shoes. Shoes. Let's get some shoes. Yo, eat 2.0 2 hours ago. 132K. Look at, whoa, 1.4 million in volume. What the hell? Yeah, this is. There's one 6 hours ago too, but that one's down a lot, and it's weird because it's the same exact contract address. So who's down? This one's up. This one's up a lot. Oh, it's getting mev-botted too. 132K. Marky have 226. Are you in this? Dude, oh, their site's not even secure, dude. Oh my god, it's so bad. I can't even look at this. This screams rug pull, right? Wait, SK, are you in this? Tell me why ain't you never get hacked unless you click link or download something from random chat. Yes, I agree. I agree. But that's the thing that scares me. These guys claim they didn't do anything, that somehow they just got wrecked in Telegram. Wait, is there actual volume coming in here? 42, 42, 43, 42. Yeah, dude, there's actual volume in here. This appears to be mev-botted like anything, but it appears to be real volume, sirs. 323. What the hell? 323. What do you think? Are we early? Should we get in? Wait, how are other DGen plays doing? Did we make it all back? SK, did we make it all back? We're supposed to make it all back, buddy. Whatever happened. I'm not married to any of these tokens, just want to make money. Yeah, I completely understand. And by the way, for the I forget who it was, you're welcome for the Kyber swap recommendation. I heard Uniswap wasn't working. It was Zeske yet again telling me, hey, use Kyber swap when Uniswap doesn't work, because it wasn't working for us either, and that's exactly what we did. Just give me 1 second here, boys. I'm just gonna sign right in. So check out our plays. I believe we're getting wrecked across the board. Yeah, I had a feeling. Wait, I have real Pepe. I have real ETH. USDC. Die. Nothing. Dude, I can't even remember half the things I freaking bought because they're on my phone imported there. Let me check. Dun, 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 dun. We bought so many things this morning too, but it's like, did they pump after we bought them? Or was it just like that pump once and you're done? There's so many tokens in crypto, especially in DeFi, right? This is Kyber swap. Now we're talking DeFi, not indicators or chart analysis. Can still be done here. Bobo 2.0, that's what we bought. Yeah, so we bought Bobo 2.0. That is now worth 0.1, 0.01. Okay, let's see what else. Important. Oh, we bought AIX. Whatever happened with AIX? Wait, my AIX is worth 0.2 right now. What the hell? Did AIX just randomly pump? Pepe Inu, that was the other one we bought. All right, Pepe Inu 0.03. So 70% loss there. Let's see. The other one we bought is Croc, CROC. Crocodile 0.02, 80% loss there. Yeah, so we need one of these to hit to make it all back, boys. Man, they just keep dumping on us, Teddy. They keep dumping on us. Why are they dunking on you, man? Instagram never give auto download option for media. Wait, what the hell? There's an auto download option for media. Lovely looking, lovely. Dude, are you still in freaking lovely Inu? Wait, SK, did you look at AIX? What the hell is going on with AIX? AIX. It's up. It's up like 30% today. What the hell? Yeah, see? Should I get out? Should I hold? Does someone know something? 2 million market cap? And Telegram never gives. Dude, I almost want to get my 0.2 back, but what if this thing pumps like out of nowhere? All right, so why are you big? AI-XERC.XYZ. What's causing the pump? What you got? What you got? Musk's favorite tweets. Elon Musk has liked our dev Twitter 13 times. Uh-huh. That's why we can't get to any of them. It's up from last 3 days. Whoa, so you think get out? Wait, can I throw in the AIX chart in here? Let's see. Let's see what your indicator says. SK. Dun, 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 dun. Man, nothing. We got nothing. We got nothing on this track. On this track. X. 1DA. What does this end in? 6183. Show me the 6183. 44, 6183. Wait, so wrapped ether. No. Chaka Crypto. What's going on, Chaka? Nice to see you, buddy. We're trying to figure out why AIX is pumping. I'm trying to find the freaking um, contract address, I guess. Is it even on anything, dude? I don't even think it's even on AI. AIX. Oh, Teddy, it's on there. Teddy, see, you were wrong, Teddy. Dude, it's up freaking 46%. What the hell is going on, AIX? It's on Open Ocean. Okay. 4 million. 99% volume is straight from Uniswap. Dude, someone knows something, dude. There is no way. Like something just does not seem right. Is this about to be listed somewhere? News? We got no news about. I have no idea. Something just doesn't seem right here, especially being it's on Uniswap. 323. What's the latest? X. I'm bearish on X. Feel sorry for those who bought at 30s and could not sell. Wait, they couldn't sell? X Elon backing and supporting us. I'm bullish on X 22 hours ago. Scam rug pull. Check the notice on CMC. The same dev who rug pulled or Psy. I don't know. You won't get it, bro. Yeah, I'm not getting it, dude. I tried. I did not get it. Unless it's on the freaking pair or something, but even that doesn't make sense. I feel like it would show up here or something, you know? Decentralized. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, so that's exactly what we're trying to do. Figure out why AIX is pumping. No idea. There's nothing that tells me why this token is pumping. Nothing indicates to me anything other than pure dumb luck, I guess. It's pure dumb luck, Teddy. You should have held on. I told you to hold on, Teddy. Actually, let me take a look at the chart and not on one day, but on maybe 4 hours. Something just Why? 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 RSI is just pegged at 100, dude. You see this? This is on the 4 hour. This is overbought like anything. I don't know. SK, I almost feel like I should get out, man. What do you think? I'm really feeling I should get out. All right, so ETH, import freaking token, Kyber swap. You take the freaking token, you import it, you import it. How much is it worth now? 0.18. Do I pull out? Dude, this was my moon bag, bro, and now my moon bag's worth freaking 300. Take profits. I already took profits. This was the moon bag. Pull out a 0.1. Take out half. Pull out half. Half is decent. Do a halfy. Do a halfy. Wait, is there any tax? Tax 0%. Yeah. Take profits today. Anthony Williams says take profits. We'll pull out half. That's profits. But not half. They're doing half. All right. Don't dunk on me, boys. Don't dunk on me. All right. Transaction submitted. 0.63 ETH to 0.73. Come on. Dude, this freaking thing is so slow. Pending. Come on. Give me my ETH. There it goes. We got the 0.09. 0.72 ETH. Let's go. We're going to make our way back to 1 ETH. We were at 1 ETH, and then they got into degen plays and didn't get out. AIX, are you going to be the savior? Let's see. Okay, so PPI. Yeah, I think there was one more like dumb article, 31K. Yeah, Monday it surged and it fell under 31K. Yeah, they updated this later. Let's see. That was futures. We saw that. And now I got our S case thing, so we knew. Come on, man. It's a buy signal. It's got to buy. Depends how long this buy signal lasts, because last time it was stagnant. See, it went straight sideways. When it's going sideways like this, that's why it's not a good time to get in. You have to figure out whether it's moving up or moving down, especially when we're doing them futures trades and whatnot. All right. We had news. Pepe coin price plunges by 17% amidst sell-off. What? It's freaking Watcher Guru. July 10th. Yeah, this is now. Okay, so let's look at Pepe price, 17%. Yeah. I do notice it's down. That's 6%. That's 10%. Where the hell are these guys getting 17%? I mean, maybe they bought at the freaking all-time high up here, I guess. All right, let's see. So you buy up here and you go down to now. Yeah, that's 19%. Yeah, so where we're at is 17%. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Math adds up. All right, Watcher Guru, let's listen to the clickbait. 1 minute read. Pepe coin, trending meme coin, notable ROI. Shiba Inu, according to latest coin market cap, has plummeted by 17% amidst sell-off. Yep. We confirm that. We agree with this. Pepe coin whale dumps a considerable volume of Pepe. Okay. One of the most recent cases of Pepe coin price plunge is the considerable sell-off of whales. One of the oldest whales dumped a considerable amount of Pepe, leaving the whale with over 300,000 worth of the frog-inspired meme coin. This profit-taking triggered the price drop for the coin, which rose by 65% in the last 30 days. So that makes sense. And we confirmed that because we just charted that. So where it was on last week to where it is now is 17%. So make checks out. Checks out, buddy. All right, cool. So still a buy signal. I wonder, is this the bottom? Are you guys seeing a bottom? Use take profit and stop loss. Drawing under chart to test your. Oh yeah, definitely. Wait, is that on here? Yeah, long position, short position. So I learned this as well, where when we're doing like uh the longs and shorts, you can actually use these long positions and short positions and set your targets um to like wherever it needs to be. So I went long, so it's like you go to the last uh I'm probably not doing this right, SK, but like you go to like the last cell and then you try and get the ratio to 1, and then your buy and sell window, then your stop loss, and where you can get to your target and make good return of investment. So definitely continue learning things about futures, but I'm quite happy with SK sitting down to come teach the goons about what he's learned, and I definitely feel well informed that I'm going to continue using his indicators, which is the triple G indicator. So he's going to fine tune it, make it better, add more things, and as he grows, we'll grow with him, right? So he's been here since the beginning. Very happy with this, SK. Thanks for helping the goons out, buddy. We're going to try your strategy out, and there's no right or wrong way when it comes to crypto trading strategies. So this is our way, the goon way, and we'll see what happens. So guys, that's it. I will see you again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. You know where to catch me. You know how it's gonna be. Dude, I really hope this freaking market just takes off, because we've been lingering now at 1 point under 1.2 trillion for quite some time, that we just need to break out and just let it happen. And I think we're just very close, and before we know it, we're gonna start seeing BTC making those monster moves, right? We've seen BTC do monster easy 5K at a time, moves up and down. So 2-3K is expected, but when it does those gigantic movements, especially with the banks and financial institution money coming in, it's going to be interesting. It's really going to change what happens to crypto as we continue. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Goodbye. Stay safe. Our ratio RR11 sure is a win, but anything beyond is God's gift. Yeah, exactly. I'm using that. All right, guys. Goodbye. Stay safe, and always remember, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah. 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 Get informed.